Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to showcase a product I've been building over the past few months. It is called Applywise. So yeah, let's get started. On the landing page, you can either log in if you already have an account, or you can also log in with Google. If you don't have an account, then you can create one. You can also sign up using Google. So yeah, let's create an account for myself. So once your account is created, you will be redirected to profile page. At first, sections like education, skills, experience will be empty, and that is intentional because we don't have your resume yet. So the first step will be to upload your resume. So right now I'll be uploading my resume. When you upload your resume, Applywise will automatically parse it and extracts your education, skills, work experience, and projects, as you can see on the screen. You can also switch between light mode or dark mode. I personally like the dark one, but many people prefer the light one. So you can choose between that as well. Now let's talk about the core features. So there's jobs page, which is updated regularly every 5 hours. It is mostly based like currently updated with tech internships, but I will be updating this page so that it updates with all kinds of jobs, new grad application, full-time applications, and you can filter between locations with company name and between companies as well. And I will be adding categories. You can filter with co-ops, internships, and also full-time jobs. So you can also change the view. If you like the table view, then you can switch to table view. If you like the cards view, then you can switch to cards view, and you can shortlist application like jobs that you want to apply. Like if you click on save, then it will automatically be saved in your applications page, which we will be going to. So yeah, as you can see, since I've clicked on a couple of saved jobs, it directly got added to my application tab. And whenever you have time, you can just go to the application and apply. Like, click on apply and you can apply there. And you can edit the application. We have fully built application tracker system. So you can track all your applications, job application, internships, and you can also add notes if you want. You can also change the status to apply, to interview, to offer, whatever would like. If you apply to a job which is not really from here, then you can manually add that job to the application tracker system. And yeah, let's talk about the core feature, like the one of the biggest features of Applywise, which is tailoring your resume to the job description, like particular application. When you find a role you are really interested in, you can tailor your resume specifically to that job. Simply copy paste the job description, paste it in the tailor resume tab, and yeah, let's look at that. So let's look at FlexBing. So click on apply, copy paste, copy the job description and paste it in the tailor resume. You can also add your company name you want and also the position, full stack engineer. So these are option fields. If you don't want to add them, then it's totally up to you. Then you click on tailor resume. The backend analyzes the job description, extracts the most relevant keywords, and redirects your resume accordingly without adding anything that you have not worked on. Applywise does not hallucinate at all. It strictly works within your existing background while optimizing keyword alignment. As you can see, it has extracted some of the keywords like Java API, full stack developer. And if you try to add as many keywords as it can to your resume, and it will generate the resume for you. And if you click on PDF, it will automatically like compile the PDF with the re-written bullet points, and you will have a completely tailored resume for that job. On the tailored resume will be tracked here, no matter how many job applications have you applied and how many tailored resume they have been generated. All those resume will be stored here in the application, so you don't have to worry about what resume did you apply with for that position. So you might be thinking, copy pasting the job description into this button is kind of annoying and tedious, right? So here is the good part. You don't have to actually come to Applywise account. So I have an Chrome extension where you can log in with it. You can generate the resume from the Chrome extension itself. When you go to an application page, it will automatically detect the job description for you. So you don't have to select the job description manually. But sometimes when the job page or job description page is complicated, it will not detect the job description automatically. Then you have to select the job description. I click on it and use selection as job description, and it will automatically select that as job description. And when you click on generate resume, it will tailor your resume for that specific job description. So it will try to extract all the keywords, Java, REST API, all these keywords, and try to add them to your resume as much as it can. It will not try to add a bunch of stuff that you haven't worked on. It will try to focus on keyword alignment. So when you click on download, it will automatically compile that rewritten resume, download that resume quickly. And like I said, tailored resume will be stored in your workspace under the tailored resume tab. Sometimes it might not recognize the company name, but you can edit those in the applications tab. So yeah, this is the product. I hope you find it really useful.